The list reverse method in Python reverses a list in place. Let's check out what that means. If you had a list A with the elements 3, then 2, then 1 in it, then called reverse on it, A would be modified to now be in the order of 1, then 2, then 3. The in place part means that no extra memory was used to do the reversing. This is in direct contrast to the reversed function in Python. I've done a video on reversed that I will link in the description, but in that video I oversimplified for the sake of explanation. Reversed returns an iterator object. I have a video on the iter function in Python that dives further into iterators, but there is a takeaway from all this. If you care about the list itself being reversed and then want to do further operations on the list, then use the list reverse method. If, however, all you want to achieve is looping through the elements once they are reversed, then use the reversed function. Like and subscribe to learn more.